Hey Redheads, I'm Stephanie Vendetti, the co-founder here at How2BAR Redhead, and today I'm going to be diving into the December Deluxe H2BAR Box, which is a value of $250 for only $67 every quarter. And all of these products, 17 total, 10 full size, are the perfect products to kick off new year ahead, 2020, new decade, and the theme is all about a winter wonderland. So this is the box. The weather outside is frightful, but these goodies are so delightful. And the first product to kick everything off is actually a product that I'm wearing, this awesome green velvet headband from a company called Banded. And a fun fact about them is every product you buy on their website, they feed 3 meals to children in need. So it's just an awesome women-owned company, and the headband's awesome, especially this time of year, and you can wear it throughout the entire year, but this season in particular, green, redhead friendly, perfect. Next up we have Luksaderm. This is their peeling and exfoliating foot mask. Super hydrating for your feet, getting them ready for the spring ahead. Next up, we have Luxie. This is their new hair mask, and it's awesome because, especially if you're experiencing fading red hair, which I do, especially this time of year, it's a perfect hair mask to use about once a week, I wanna say, and it's a perfect copper color. So definitely recommend this for all shades of red hair. And do a strip test in the back of your hair first before using any coloring products like this fabulous product. Then we have Nelson Beverly Hills. This is their Refresh Your Hair Again detox treatment. It helps with buildup in your hair, super easy to use. It's a really lightweight product, but don't fear, you just put water in it and you'll notice that the product inside gets heavier, and this will last you for up to a year. Then we have, oh, this product's awesome. It's Fleur B. It's their Nectar of the Sea Rejuvenating Vitamin C Serum. Everyone should have a serum, especially redheads. It's great for sensitive skin. After cleansing, before moisturizing, apply this just a few dots onto your skin, and you'll notice that the vitamin C is just gonna really brighten your complexion, getting it ready for the new year. Then we have some exciting new products from some new companies that we've teamed up with. Aquise, they have this amazing hair turban, so we were really excited to have this product in the box. It's a pre-wash, so before washing your hair, you spray this into your red hair, and it really just helps with weak, brittle hair. It's super hydrating, great travel product if you're traveling throughout 2020. Then we have this amazing deodorant stick from a company called Crystal, and this is It's Life's. It's citrus and bergamot. It's a natural deodorant. I think it's so important to kind of get rid of the mainstream deodorants that's out there in drugstores that are full of chemicals and turn to a natural deodorant. Your body and your skin will thank you later. And then we have an awesome product from a company based in Utah. They are called Living the Good Life Naturally. It's like such a cool brand, I think, and their name's awesome. This is their cucumber tonic. So it's infused with cucumber and aloe juice, so it's really hydrating. It smells delicious, and the directions are pretty simple, straightforward. You spritz it on your face as a pick-me-up. You can do it after your makeup, you can do it before your makeup, but you can do it at night if you're just feeling a little tingly, like when you step out of the shower and your cheeks get a little dry like mine, and you just spray it. And it's one spray, and it's an awesome natural product. Then we have a few other products that actually have been in some monthly H2BAR boxes. Dermala Patch Me If You Can targeted pimple patches. You've been seeing pimple patches all over social media. This is a really cool brand that was featured in a monthly H2BAR box this year, and when you open it, you're gonna get about 20 or so pimple patches. So you just put them on your skin before bed, and you'll notice that it will actually like pick up the pimple. Not like really, but it basically just cleanses and hydrates the pimple, and then it changes color when it's absorbed all the bacteria that's in the pimple. These are awesome. Then we have Reviva Labs. they were in a December H2BAR box, and this is their eye cream. Awesome product. I use it every single night before bed. It is super revitalizing, and it just helps with dryness and lines underneath the eyes. And I think it's really important, no matter your age, to start using a product like this. And it's cruelty-free, and it's just a really strengthening product too. Professionals rave about this brand. And then Scanit cleanser. This is really cool. So this is actually a product. So if you got this and you're wondering what to do, use our friendly info card. It lists all the products, the value of each one, what the product is, how to use it, and we even labeled it if it's a skincare product, a hair care product. So this one in particular, it's a clay cleanser. So it will actually cleanse your skin. It's full of minerals, and it's an awesome brand that's for sensitive skin. So definitely turn to this, and we include everything that you need. And then in the box, we have 2 amazing highlighters. So a subscriber either received Giela's highlighter, which is called Beaming Red. She's amazing, company based in New York. And then Zabana Essentials, which is another highlighter that's perfect. You can either use it with your finger, make sure it's clean, or a makeup brush. And we have a bunch of tutorials that we'll be sharing on social media and on our website about how to use highlighters correctly. But I'm using actually Giela right now on just the tops of my cheeks, and it just adds a little shimmer and makes some of your features really appear just really naturally, especially when it hits the light. Next up, we have one of our favorite skincare brands, Naya 24 SPF 30. We purposely put this in the December box to just keep educating on the importance of sun safety throughout the entire year, and not just the spring and the summertime and when you go to the beach. Awesome travel-friendly product, and it works great on your face, and it's a mineral sunscreen. And then we have 2 last final products. Scent, it's a all-natural perfume, which we receive a lot of questions about what perfume company we recommend for sensitive skin. A lot of those fragrances that you can get at your regular stores, whether it's a drugstore or a department store, yeah, they're awesome and they smell great, but a lot of them are just full of chemicals. And if you're putting it near your skin and you're very sensitive, tend to break out like Adrian and I tend to do. So this is from a brand called Scent Pure, and we're doing a giveaway with them during the month of January on our social media, so definitely check them out. Super travel friendly, great product, and it will last you a while. You'll be surprised. And then finally, we could not have a December winter box without adding a moisturizer. My accent just came out. This is a cool product from Tonic, and it's a blood orange scent. Smells super great, and another great travel-friendly product. And guys, check out this huge hairspray from one of our favorite hair care brands, It Hair Care. They also were a part of our monthly H2BAR box, December. So we love them, and this will definitely last you all throughout 2020. And then another brand that was featured in the monthly December H2BAR box is the booboo coverup. This is a concealer. It's so versatile. You can even use it on scars if you're trying to hide maybe a bruise. Put this underneath your eye. We're gonna be including tutorials about this fantastic product. So that's the entire December Deluxe H2BAR box. Again, it's valued at $250. You get it for $67, or you can buy an entire 4 boxes throughout the year. That's all on h2barbox.com. And have an amazing year ahead. Happy 2020, and rock it like a redhead.